In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export zone file in GoDaddy. If you manage DNS for a domain, a zone file is the master list of your DNS records, things like A, CNAME, MX, and TXT entries. Exporting it gives you a safe backup, helps with migrations, and makes it easier to audit changes. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can download a clean copy in just a minute or two. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website to get to the home page. From there, sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right of the page and click your username to open the account menu. This is where you can access the areas you use most, including your domains. In the menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard showing everything tied to your account. You'll see your domains listed, along with any hosting or other services you might have. If you manage multiple domains, take a quick moment to identify the exact one you want to back up so you don't export the wrong zone. Select the domain you want to work on. That will reveal domain-specific options and quick links. Next, click DNS. This opens the DNS Management page for that domain. Here you'll see your current records laid out in a table. Records that point your root domain to an IP address, CNAMEs for subdomains, MX records for email routing, and more. It's a good place to double-check you're looking at the right domain before you export. On the DNS Management page, locate the Actions menu. It's typically near the top of the page or close to the records list. Click Actions to open the drop-down. In that menu, choose Export Zone File. GoDaddy will generate a text file containing all the DNS records for your domain, usually in a standard bind-style format. Your browser should begin downloading it automatically. Once the file is saved, store it somewhere secure and clearly labeled with the domain name and today's date. Zone files contain configuration details you don't want to share publicly, so treat them like any other sensitive system backup. If you don't see a download prompt, check your browser's pop-up or download blockers, and make sure you're exporting from the correct domain's DNS page. Also note that if your domain's name servers point to a different DNS provider, the export option may be limited or unavailable in GoDaddy. That's it. You've successfully exported your zone file from GoDaddy. Keep this backup handy for rollbacks, migrations, or documentation, and consider exporting again after major DNS changes so your records stay up to date.